In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install the Facebook pixel on a Mailchimp landing page. By doing this, you'll be able to track your visitors' actions and gather valuable data to enhance your advertising strategy. Let's dive in and walk through this step by step. First, head into your Mailchimp account. Once you're logged in, navigate to your landing pages. You'll want to select Edit Landing Page from the options available. This will bring you to the area where you can manage the specifics of your existing landing pages. Now click on the Landing Page tab. This is where you initiate the setup or editing process for your landing page campaign. It can feel a bit like finding a needle in a haystack, but with practice, it'll soon become second nature. Once you're here, look for the highlight option and click on it. This highlights certain elements of your page for easy management. After doing that, you should identify the field where you'll name your landing page. Go ahead and type in the name you want for your landing page. It's important to give it a clear and descriptive name that reflects its purpose or campaign. When you're finished typing, look for the option that says Begin and click on that to proceed. Next, you'll be selecting a template. Choose the one that best aligns with your campaign's objectives. Each template offers different design elements, so pick the one that you think will engage your audience the most. If you need to make changes to the template, you can do so within the editing interface. Adjust text, images, and other components as needed to ensure your landing page aligns with your brand and message. Once you're satisfied with your edits, save your changes by clicking on Save and Close. After you've saved your revisions, you'll be directed back to the main management screen. Here, opt for the Edit button to make further adjustments if needed, particularly those concerning tracking and analytics. Within the editing mode, you will find an option labeled Track with Metapixel. Check this box to enable metapixel tracking on your landing page. At this point, you'll need your Metapixel ID. This is a unique identifier that connects your landing page data to Facebook's tracking system. If you don't have it on hand, you can create one via your Facebook Business Manager account. Input this pixel ID in the provided field. For those who already have it, simply type or paste it into the designated area. Once that's done, confirm by clicking Save. And you're all set. Your Mailchimp landing page is now equipped with the Facebook Pixel, ready to capture audience interactions and boost your campaign insights. Thank you for following along with this guide. If you found this tutorial helpful, consider subscribing for more tips and tricks to optimize your online marketing efforts.